Hello everyone. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name Afrizal Setyonugroho with name 122244041. In here I will tell you all about analysis meaning, phonetics and phonology by Anne Hathaway. Let's science for second until 20. Yes, until 20 again. In here, when I was a very young person, began my career as an actress. Whenever my mother wasn't free to drive me into Manhattan for auditions. In here, like up, down, up, up and down. Next. 12 seconds. I would take the train from suburban New Jersey and meet my father, who would have left his desk at the law office where he worked, and we would meet under the upper. In here, chew up. Chew up. 1, 2, 3. Next. In 20 seconds. Platform arrival and departure. Sign in Penn Station. We would then get on the subway together, and when we surfaced, he would ask me. In here, down and up, just two. Next. Which way is north was not very good finding north in beginning, but I auditioned a fire. Which way it's north. I wasn't very good at finding north in the beginning, but auditioned a far amount. In here, up, down, up, and up. Next. And so my dad kept asking me which way is north. Over time, I got better at finding it. In here, up, down, and up. Next. Here, I was struck by that memory yesterday while boarding the plane to come here, not just by how far my life has come since the birth. In here, up, down, up, down, up, and up. The next. By how meaningful that seemingly and lesson has been. When I was still a child, my father developed my sense of directions. In here, up, down, and up. The next. 1 minute, point 1. And now as an adult, I trust my ability to navigate space. My father helped give me the confidence. Yes. In here, ability, the first is up, and the last is down. Next, 1 minute, point 8. To guide myself through the world in late March last year, 2016, I became parent for first time. In here, just word stress to a word in late. not became, in the camp only. And next 1 minute point is 17. Remember remember the indescribable, what is that? The indescribable, and as I understand is pretty universal experience of holding my weak old son and feeling. And here, up, is it only word stress, and the last is down, feeling down. Okay. Next, my priorities change on a cellular level. I remember I experienced a shift in consciousness that gave me the ability to maintain my in here. The first, just for stress, not up and down, and the second, remember, just the part of mem, is it up, and experience the last, the word C A N D, down, and the last ability, no, it is just a first sentence from A until E, ability. Okay, next, love of career, and also cherish something else, someone else, so much more, like so many parents. And here, just for stress, not up and down, just for stress. And the next, wondered how I was going to balance my work with my new roles as parent, and in that moment I remember that the statistic. In here I just find down and up, just to balance and remember. Okay, the next, for the US policy and maternity leave placed in my mind, American women are currently entitled to 12 weeks. In here I just find one word to up, this place, and the sentence American is just word stress, not feel up and down, just word stress. And the next, unpaid leave, American men are entitled to nothing. That information land differently from me when one. Yes, same. Does American same likes this. Just for stress, not up and down sentence. But in nothing and in information, the sentence nothing, falling down, part thing, just thing, and the information up, the sentence just a part of ma mention information. Okay, next, week after my son's birth, I could barely walk. That information landed differently when I was getting to know a human. Same like this. Okay, just part of ma in sentence. Information, just information. Oh, sorry. and getting to know a human part of getting it is just for stress. Next, who was completely dependent on my husband and I for everything. When I was dependent on my husband for most things, and when we were relearning everything. Ah, in in 2 minute point 16, I find some falling up and down. The first is completely, just part of P, L, and A. And the next, husband. Husband is it just a word stress, not up or down, just word stress. And everything, falling down. And the next, husband, same like this, just word stress for most thing. And when we were relearning everything, same like this. Okay, next, without we know about family and relationship, it landed differently somehow. No, repeat again. Without we know about no, repeat again. I'm sorry. Without we know about our family and our relationship, it landed differently somehow. In here just word stress, the part of family and relationship up, and somehow falling down. Next, we and every American parent, we expected to be back to normal in under 3 months. In here I will just word stress and up, expected. And the next, without income, I remember thinking to myself, if the practical really to pregnancy is another mouth to feed in your home. In here, the first, I just find word stress, not up and down. And here, remember, up, thinking, up again. And the last is another, falling down. Okay, the next, and America is a country where most people are living paycheck to paycheck. How does 12 weeks unpaid leave and economically work? In here, the first, I find just word stress. Yeah, just only word stress in here. America and live. Okay, the next, the truth is for too many people, it doesn't. One in 4 American women go back to work 2 weeks. And here I just find one the up and one word stress. Okay, the last, after giving birth because they cannot afford to take off any more time, that's 25 of American women. Okay, in the last sentence, I just find 2 up and 1 word stress. The part of because and cannot. And the last, just word stress, American woman. Okay. That's all for me. I'm sorry if I make a mistake, and see you.